This is help for question number 32 or question number 103 on page 32 and section 1.4. In this question, you need to use that table that's at the side there. And the first question asks you, what is the total annual expense that they spend in the United States? So when you hear that word total, start thinking of addition. And so basically you just write down everything that was there. You had housing, which was $11,713, other $5,366, entertainment $1,746, health $1,903, insurance $3,381, food $4,810, and transportation $6,616. And basically all you have to do for this question is add it up. And when you add it up, you simply get 35,535. And basically 535. And basically, I'm sorry, $35,535. And basically, that's all you had to do for question 103 on page 32 from section 1.4.